I'm headed for the station with the pack on my back,
and I'm tired of transportation at the back of the hat.
Whoa, I just love the rhythm of the clickety-clack.
And I hear the whistle blow and see the smoke from the stack.
And pal around with Democratic fellas named Mac.
So take me right back to the track, Jack.
Come on! Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-boogie. Woo-woo, choo-boogie, choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-boogie.
Take me right back to the track, Jack.
You reach your destination in a lass and a lack.
You need some compensation to get back in the black.
So take it from the top of the stack.
And I read the situation from front to back.
The only job that's open needs a man with a knack.
Come on, so put it right back on the rack, Jack.
Choo-choo,
come on.
choo-choo, choo-boogie. Woo-woo, choo-boogie, choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-boogie.
Take me right back to the track, Jack. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, the train is on the go. Well, riddle me this, riddle me that. That's where the train is at. Touchdown into Brooklyn and pick up Dan. As we take a little trip to the west coast of Seattle, where we gonna razzle and dazzle. Then we go to New Hampshire
I'm gonna settle down by the railroad track
and live the life of rally in a beaten out shack.
so when I hear the whistle I can peek through the crack.
Come on, and watch your train rolling when it's all in the jam.
Oh, I just love the rhythm of the clickety-clack.
So take me right back to the track, Jack.